Okay, I'm going to show you this next cabinet door. Get my two hinges out, ready to go. And I'm going to set that cabinet door down on the floor, but I don't want to just set it down on the floor. I could possibly mark up my new flooring. I want to say, what kind of flooring is that? It's vinyl flooring planking. And so I've got, here's just a foot pad for the the kitchen sink. Okay, I'm just going to use that for my floor pad. Okay, and I got a knee pad and all that. Okay, so I don't want to mess up my floor and scratch it or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this door. I'm going to take this door down. Get my fly swatter out of the way. And these, like I say, only have 2 mounting screws on them. And this time I can just leave these right here. And I can tell that dropped just about a 1/16 of an inch, hardly anything. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to take that. I'm going to set it over here. Just like that. Let's just put it like that, shall we? I'm going to leave you right here. Okay. Take my new self-closing hinges. I guess I could take the screws out with my battery-operated drill if I wanted, but I wouldn't use my battery-operated drill to put them back in. Okay. But hey, it doesn't take very long to do it old school. And that's funny. The screw holes are right in the very middle, and I notice when I'm putting this in, they're slightly off, just barely, okay? It's slightly metal. So that means these hinges are just slightly different, you know, by millimeters than the existing. That's okay, I can still get the screws in there and get that pretty much lined up. I don't want to put one screw in all the way, then I won't be able to get the other one in. But because it's got that plastic anchor in there, it'll still go. Okay. Oh, good Lord. I gotta just slightly start it to get this other screw in there. Come on. There we go. Now I can get that. It's still, by doing that, I can still get it in there and it's still gonna sink down snug. That. Last thing you want is for those to strip. That's why I'm not going to use my battery operated drill. Okay, I'm going to get you back over like this. I'm not usually left-handed. But I'm starting it the best I can with my left hand. Okay. I'm going to get it almost tight. Okay, now it's slid, it's now tight on top of the screws, heads. I'm going to raise it up just a hair, because that's where it was before. And that will get me exactly where things were before. I could leave them down tight on all of them, knowing that that should line up everything. Okay. Two, and it should be fine. You there? Look at that. This is where the stop is, right there, and then it starts going. So if I don't want to wait that long, when I open the cabinet door, if I want to just kind of push it like that, then it's out of my way, and I know that it's not going to slam or anything, and it's just going to go automatically closed. Now see, that one I can hear noise because there's no bumpers on here at all. And so when I get all done, like I say, I'll look at these and see if I can't adjust them and all that kind of stuff, and see what I can do about, is it possible to adjust or not. And I think it is. And I've got less of a gap up here, a little bit more down here, and I can adjust this screw on this and push that away a little bit, and that'll raise that up, and I can lower the bottom, and then I may have to adjust these screws up and down and all that kind of stuff. That's not actually part of this video, but I'll probably make a video of that at another time for this home or condo renovation episodes. Okay, so wasn't that good? I'm liking that. That's your soft close, self-closing hinges. And most times nowadays, most new cabinets have those. And if you're getting them from a store already pre-built, that come in a box, let's say, maybe they don't come like that, or maybe they're all pre-built and you can get it at the store in a cardboard box where you don't have to assemble it. Maybe they do have them, maybe they don't. Look for them, and if it's something you want, know that there is an option, and you can change out concealed cabinet door hinges for the soft close concealed door hinges. I'm liking those. Those are a keeper for sure. Now, is that my whole video? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to show me taking all of these down. I'm going to do all of these doors, these couple doors. Here's a door over here that I'm going to do. I'm going to do all those the same way I did those. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and guess what? It's not going to look any different than what you see now, okay? Because I did my duty. I took one of these to the store. I got the right depth of the soft close concealed door hinge. Came back here, got the right ones, tried it out on a couple doors, and I know I'm good for the rest of them. Okay, see you in a few minutes. I'm just starting the uppers, and I wanted to point out that whenever you get self-closing or concealed hinges, the soft close, and even the other just regular self-closing hinges, they'll give you a direction sheet here on what to do if you're unsure. And there should even be directions on here. Well, there's directions on how to install them, what size hole to cut. If you're making concealed hinges for the first time, and then they'll also go about, and I think somewhere on here there'll be directions on how to make the adjustments if you need to adjust the self-closing hinges too. And just look at the self-closing hinges. There's ways to adjust them up and down and stuff. And I've noticed there's 2 sets of screws. This screw here is an adjustment screw. That screw is an adjustment screw. Okay, and that will do just about whatever you want on there. And then you can adjust the hinge up and down on the slide. So there's 3 different ways. Generally, you can go about adjusting any concealed hinge. Okay.